Yeah, my name's Troy. I come to MPH because I'd been on a bit of a fat loss journey for myself. And I've been to the gym before, but I had that fear of doing it wrong, putting weight back on, going to the gym and just spinning my wheels. So I really wanted to come somewhere that they knew what they were doing, had the right program to achieve the body composition now after the weight loss. Yeah, crazy. Just finished doing our measurements now, and after 13 weeks, you don't think you're going to achieve what you achieved, and I've now gained 4 kilograms of lean muscle. I've also dropped around 3 centimetres off my waist as well, while maintaining my body fat percentage. So everything I set out to do, changing body composition, definitely achieved that within that 13 weeks. Plenty of reasons. There's plenty of people out there that recommend these people, those people, but getting a recommendation and then coming and seeing Michael the first time, I just knew straight away that was the right place. Getting matched up with a trainer that cares about me, what I want to achieve, and then supporting those results. And also just the whole community here. It's not just my trainer. Every trainer here is supportive. Want to see you succeed as well. So it's been great.